This is Adarian News Channel, and here are the big stories of the day. In a harmonious blend of music and space exploration, the European Space Agency has transmitted Johann Strauss II's iconic waltz, the Blue Danube, towards NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft. This gesture commemorates Strauss's 200th birthday and ESA's 50th anniversary. Notably, the Blue Danube was absent from Voyager's original golden record in 1977. The Vienna Symphony Orchestra performed the piece, which was broadcast from ESA's Cebreros station in Spain, symbolizing humanity's cultural outreach into the cosmos. Intel and Japan's SoftBank have announced a joint venture named Psy Memory, aiming to develop a power efficient alternative to high bandwidth memory for AI applications. Leveraging Intel's technology and patents from Japanese academia, including the University of Tokyo, the initiative seeks to produce a prototype by 2027, with commercialization targeted before the decade's end. This collaboration also aims to revitalize Japan's semiconductor industry. A recent study published in Nature has unveiled that ocean island basalts, particularly from Hawaii, exhibit unique isotopic signatures of ruthenium and tungsten. These anomalies suggest a leakage of material from Earth's core into the mantle, providing new insights into the planet's internal processes and the dynamic interactions between its core and mantle layers. Despite efforts by Microsoft and the US Department of Justice to dismantle the infrastructure of Luma infostealer malware, reports indicate that the threat persists. Luma, also known as Luma C2, is a malware as a service platform capable of stealing data from browsers, cryptocurrency wallets, and more. The FBI has warned law firms of targeted phishing campaigns linked to this malware, emphasizing the need for continued vigilance. A coordinated cyber attack has compromised several far right media outlets, including the Post Millennial. Hackers defaced websites and leaked approximately 6.5 terabyte of data, encompassing subscriber information and internal communications. The breach underscores the vulnerabilities in digital infrastructure and the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. Blender, the renowned open source 3D creation suite, is transitioning from OpenGL to the Vulkan Graphics API. This shift promises significant performance improvements, including faster startup times and enhanced rendering capabilities. Vulkan's modern architecture allows better utilization of multi core CPUs and GPUs, positioning Blender for future advancement in 3D content creation. The concept of mind uploading, transferring human consciousness into a digital medium, is gaining attention. Neuroscientists suggest that while the idea remains theoretical, advancements in brain mapping and computing could make it feasible in the future. Challenges include accurately replicating the brain's complex structures and ensuring the continuity of consciousness in a digital environment. A powerful M8.2 solar flare erupted on 31st May, leading to a G4 class geomagnetic storm impacting Earth. The event has caused spectacular auroras visible in regions unaccustomed to such displays, including parts of Australia and the United States. Scientists warn that such storms can disrupt satellite operations, communication systems, and power grids. Google has introduced a new app allowing Android devices to run artificial intelligence models locally without an internet connection. By facilitating on device execution of models from platforms like Hugging Face, users can experience faster processing, enhanced privacy, and offline functionality. This development marks a significant step towards making AI more accessible and efficient on mobile platforms. That's all for today's roundup on Atarian News Channel. Stay tuned for more updates on the ever evolving world of technology and science. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.